The holiday season is upon us, and one thing that can be very intimidating, like skincare, is shopping for holiday gifts. Well, I hope with this video, I can help to remove some of the stress for your holiday shopping. I've compiled my favorite skincare gift sets from various price points, and there's something for everyone. Hi, my name is Dr. Jenny Liu. I'm a board-certified dermatologist. If you enjoy skincare, hair care, nail content, I would love it if you can give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So skincare gift sets, I think, can make a very nice and thoughtful holiday present. It's great for individuals who are, number one, maybe confused about all the brands out there, but just really want a good no-brainer kind of start to finish set of products to use to care for their skin. It can also be a great way for an individual to test out certain maybe pricier items before splurging on a full size. So this year, I've gone through various online retailers, went into stores and have done my homework, and I've gone through pretty much most of my favorite brands that are out there that I think have nice gift sets available, and I've compiled 10 of them that I think are worthwhile. All right, starting off with more affordable gift sets found in drugstores. These are less than $40. The first one I want to mention is from Versed, and it's their Deck the Shelves gift set that retails for $35. And Versed overall is a brand that I really enjoy, and this gift set is a really nice one for you to kind of sample some of their best sellers. This gift set contains their miniature cleansing balm, their mini glow toner, an exfoliating toner, as well as their gentle retinol, and then one of my favorite gel moisturizers for oily skin, that's the Dew Point moisturizer, as well as their clarifying serum that is great for acne and oily prone skin. So Versed actually has quite a few gift sets. I picked this one because this one really samples many of my favorite products from them, including their exfoliating toner that contains alpha hydroxy acids, kojic acid, azelaic acid, vitamin C, great for brightening and helping with hyperpigmentation, along with the gentle retinol, and then, like I said, the Dew Point moisturizer, which is a gel formulation that is really great for oily skin. And so I really think this gift set is ideal for those with more oily and combination skin who really want to just get on top of their skincare regimen. Maybe they have concerns of hyperpigmentation, shine, or just want to jumpstart their anti-aging routine. This would make a really nice gift for those individuals. So the next gift set is from e.l.f. e.l.f. Skin has really come up with some amazing line of skincare products that's really affordable, vegan, and cruelty-free. Two that are in miniature size that I think are giftable, but one I like because of the packaging. They're Hydrated Ever After Skincare Mini Kit. This retails for $20, and this is from their Holy Hydration line, which is another great line for more oily combination skin. Certainly it's suitable for dry skin if this is used more in the summertime, but for the winter, I just find the formulation a little bit too lightweight for those with dry skin. This gift set contains, again, a cleansing balm, gentle cleanser, eye cream, moisturizer, as well as booster drops, or more like a hydrating serum. Holy Hydration is a line that's nicely formulated with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, squalane, and vitamin B5. So a lot of soothing, plumping, calming ingredients. The eye cream is nice because it's also infused with peptides, so it can help with the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. And I absolutely love the cleansing balm. It's a great one. And as well as the face cream that is just a really nice, lightweight gel cream formulation. I also want to mention another miniature size that's available from e.l.f. and it's actually my favorite line from e.l.f. Skin, and it's their Pure Skin line that retails for $15, and it's called the Pure Skin Back to Basics Mini Kit. Unfortunately, it's just not in a nicely packaged box, but certainly you can throw these in a gift bag, and these will make a wonderful holiday gift for individuals who have a dry and sensitive skin. In this trio, you'll find the Gentle Creamy Cleanser, which I am using daily right now, their hydrating toner, as well as a thick nourishing moisturizer. All products are fragrance free, really nice and soothing for those with dry sensitive skin. So another option for individuals with more dry and sensitive skin. Now moving on. Now we're still within that less than $40 range. The next one is from the Inky, and it's their Winter 101. This gift set retails for $25 and again contains their bestseller items, including their oat cleansing balm, hyaluronic acid serum, a caffeine eye cream, and then their gentle retinol. They have another gift set too, but I really like this one because again, again, it includes a lot of my favorite products from them. The Oat Cleansing Balm is a really nice, gentle cleanser, but balm in one. Great for those with dry skin or those who want a cleanser that is gonna be gentle, but still very effective at removing oil, makeup, sunscreen, and not leaving like a greasy residue on your skin afterwards. Highly recommend trying out that cleansing balm. And then, you know, for the retinol and the caffeine eye cream is really gonna be helpful for signs of aging. So I think who I would have in mind when shopping is individuals who, number one, have dry skin, are wanting to have a regimen specifically to target anti-aging, or two, individuals who just are looking for a good kind of starter skincare regimen for aging, or just want to get on a good skincare regimen. And again, those individuals who are wanting products that are going to be helpful and more gentle to use in the wintertime. The next one is from Biossance. Again, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly brand. And this gift set, they also have a few, and it was really hard to pick, but I ultimately landed on their Rapid Radiance gift set that retails for $35. Reasons being, it has pretty much all my favorites from them. So in this gift set, it contains their famous lactic acid and squalane serum, which I've talked about many times, and then their squalane and omega repair cream, which is kind of like a in between a gel cream, but a cream that's still very rich and nourishing. And then along it with that is their squalane and marine peptide eye cream, and then their vitamin C oil, which is formulated with DHD ascorbate. So a really nice gift set, again, for those who are wanting to improve uneven skin texture, skin tone. The oil can be really nice, kind of makes you feel good type of treatment to use, facial oil, especially during the winter time. So I just love everything in this package, and of course comes in a beautifully boxed presentation. So a great gift set, I think, really for anyone, but for sensitive skin, those who want to brighten their skin, replenish, and to protect their skin. So Glow Recipe has a lot of great products, and I heard, to me, it's also very fun to use and very nicely fragrance. Almost want to give you that I want to eat my skincare feeling. And this year they have few gift sets, and I picked the Hey You're a Bright Light Lightning set. Man, that is a mouthful. That retails for $49. The reason being, again, it contains one of my favorite vitamin C serums I've talked about in my vitamin C serum video, which is their Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Treatment that contains 5 different types of vitamin C, including DHT ascorbate. That is great to protect as well as brighten and help with hyperpigmentation. Also contains their eye serum and a really nice pillowy lightweight gel cream that is formulated with hyaluronic acid. I am obsessed with the overall pink light purple package, and not to mention just everything in this gift set smells really amazing. So I think this is a really fun one to gift, in addition to helping tackle really individuals who are struggling with uneven skin tone and those individuals who want to treat hyperpigmentation and just have a more glowy and radiant skin. All right, stepping up the game for individuals who want to splurge a little bit on retinol for anti-aging, Murad has got a gift set for you. It's their Youth Renewal Retinol Kit that retails for $59. And in this gift set, you'll find their really famous, popular retinol serum, which I really like and enjoy using myself, as well as their night cream and eye serum. 3 key core ingredients in helping to combat signs of aging. And Murad's retinol is also encapsulated, so helps to reduce irritation, improve the delivery, and enhance efficacy. So certainly something I think it would be a great gift set for a mom, for someone who is interested in improving fine lines and wrinkles. For some skincare fun, and those who are really obsessed with K-beauty, you gotta check out Dr. Jart's 10 Masks Must Have that retails for $68 and contains really their top 10 sheet masks and 1 jar mask. But this is a really fun one, I think, to gift, or to just even if you want to like do like a spa at home spa night or something with your girlfriends. And it contains their popular sheet masks and 1 jar mask that's from their Sika line with soothing centella. They really have sheet masks geared towards targeting all skin concerns, whether it's dehydration, brightening, acne, fine lines, or wrinkles. And I also find that of all the Korean brands out there when it comes to quality of the sheet masks, because it does impact the efficacy and absorption of the ingredients. Now, I love sheet masks, but by no means are they a necessity as far as like, part of your routine skincare regimen. I think if you have the time and you have the energy, something fun to do like once or twice a week, but definitely not something you need to do and you should not be doing daily. Next up is another fun one to gift, and it's from Drunk Elephant, and it's a travel size that I think is great to gift as skincare, but also for you to purchase yourself and save for when you're traveling. And it's the little skincare travel set that retails for $74. I picked this one because it houses majority of my favorite products from Drunk Elephant. So if you have been wanting to try Drunk Elephant, but have been intimidated by the prices of their full-size items and want to just try a few of their best sellers, this is one I recommend you getting. In this set, you will get their jelly cleanser, which is a nice, like mildly foaming cleanser. You will get their vitamin C serum, which I really like. A lot of people when it first came out said that it was like the SkinCeutical see-through like dupe. Certainly it's not, but it's similar formulation. So a great one to try if you are wanting to try like a vitamin C, E, and ferulic acid based vitamin C antioxidant serum. Also contains their polypeptide cream, which is one of my favorite gel cream peptide moisturizers that help with plumping the skin with fine lines and wrinkles in a lightweight formulation. Also contains their zinc physical sunscreen, as well as their AHA glycolic night serum treatment, which is one of my favorites from them as well. And then their marula face oil, which is like a more of a luxury item. Like I said, it's a really cute, colorful piece. I think would make a great gift. And for those who are wanting to try Drunk Elephant and want to just sample some of their best sellers, I highly recommend checking this one out. Okay, the next one is for those who really love skincare, but also love beautifully packaged skincare. And this one from Tatcha is a must-have. Tatcha's Overnight Recovery Duo. I picked this one because it has one of my favorite overnight moisturizers from Tatcha. If I made a favorites video, this moisturizer would have made my list. Not to mention Tatcha's moisturizers are beautifully packaged and comes with a kind of like a gold colored spatula that you can scoop out. Tatcha is well known for making skincare a part of a ritual that is very, in ways, self-caring and soothing. And also part of this formulation is their Hadashi 3, which is, naturally fermented amino acids, lactic acid, fruit acid. And part of this duo is, like I said, my favorite, and it's the Indigo Overnight Recovery Cream. And it's a moisturizer, but really intended to be used as an overnight repair, like sleeping mask. And it's this fast absorbing, light, but yet nourishing cream that you apply over after you moisturizer a few times nightly to really help to soothe, hydrate, and just repair your skin. And then to finish off the duo, it also comes with a miniature sized lip mask. So a great one for those who love skincare as part of their ritual. So highly recommend checking this one out. All right, guys, I saved the best for last. It certainly is going to be a splurge. No surprise, from SkinCeuticals. SkinCeuticals is a line that is near dear to my heart. They do have some pricey items, and I feel like holiday gift sets are a great place to start because they often have full-size items, but at a discounted price. And often these items are packed together. It's their best sellers that are often packaged together. So if you've been wanting to try SkinCeuticals or even restock up on some of your favorites, but just really haven't been able to because of the price, gift sets, like I said, is a great place to start. So this one, you can find it on their online storefront, and it's titled their Best Sellers Gift Set. Retails for $349 currently, and it contains their full-size C Ferulic Serum, their Triple Lipid Restore, as well as HA Intensifier, a hydrating hyaluronic acid serum that's been shown to actually stimulate your skin's natural production of hyaluronic acid. So this is a great one for mature skin individuals who are wanting to improve signs of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin texture, and skin tone. I mean, literally, it really has my favorites from them. So something that is really worth splurging on, because literally you're getting the full-size items for literally a third of the price, because the C Ferulic itself is about $168 if you buy it alone. So you guys know C Ferulic is one of my holy grail vitamin C serum. It's great for those with more dry skin. Honestly, I think all skin types can really benefit from it, but this is really geared towards those who are wanting to improve signs of aging. It's really the best studied vitamin C serum on the market. The Triple Lipid Restore is a rich, nourishing night cream, and it's shown to help reduce irritation from topical retinoid use. And it's a great, luxurious this nighttime moisturizer that for anyone who's looking to improve fine lines and wrinkles. And then the Age Intensifier, as I mentioned, is more of a sticky hyaluronic acid based serum, and you can use it all over, but certainly my trick is to apply where you need it, where you have fine lines that are just not improving. It can also be a really good complement to Botox and to kind of like almost make your Botox last a little bit longer. It's not going to help those deep wrinkles that come with movement, but if you have few fine lines that are just not improving, this serum can really help to reduce the appearance of those super small fine lines and wrinkles like on your forehead and crow's. So like I said, this is a great steal, totally worth it. It's limited time edition, so get it while you can. But yeah, if you are looking for a really just splurge worthy gift, this is one I highly recommend that is totally worth the splurge. All right guys, so those are my top 10 holiday gift sets that I think is worth purchasing, whether it's for loved ones or for yourself. Are there ones that I left out that you really have been eyeing but I did not mention? Please comment below and let me know. I definitely want to look into them. Again, I would love it if you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Happy shopping!